As expected, that's a new thing for professors and for academia. So that's why they are a kind of careful with everything. They are listening, but like inzva in 2017, they don't have a proper understanding of what is actually this competitive programming. However, there are some professors which are very eager and motivated. So I'm looking forward to cooperate with them and to assist them in order to start the first national-wide contest in Turkey, which should be like a starting point, like a very important event. And if we have this event very well organized, so that should be like a very important advertisement over the whole Turkey. So let's check the numbers a year after, and let's compare what you'll have the first time and the second time. Like in Ukraine, there are a lot of students in Turkey. Not all of them are into that competitive programming, but there is some number, like out of 100 students. In Ukraine, we always find at least 4 or 5 which are into competitive programming. The same should work for Turkey. So I would like to address these students who find this challenging tasks interesting and who would like to compete with others and to be the best of the best and to develop this algorithmic thinking in their minds. So I would like to congratulate you with the beginning of this popularity in Turkey, and looking forward to see you in the very first national contest in Turkey.